In this video, I'll show you how to refactor code with Claude AI. This is a quick way to improve your code's structure, readability, and performance using AI. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" Now I'll type a prompt asking Claude to refactor my code. For example, I might type, "Refactor this JavaScript code to make it cleaner and more efficient." After typing the prompt, I'll paste my code and click the send button. Claude will analyze the code and provide a cleaner, more organized version along with improvements. If I want more specific changes, I can include details in my prompt, such as coding standards, performance optimization, or best practices. For example, I might type, "Refactor this Python code using best practices and improve performance." Claude can also help explain the changes, suggest better patterns, or restructure the code for scalability. Once the refactored code is ready, I can copy or download the updated version and replace it in my project. After that, I can test the code to ensure everything works correctly. And that's it. I've successfully used Claude AI to refactor code. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.